Okay, coming into short centering. You're with me live. Thank you so much for being here. If you're taking in this recording, let's go ahead and reestablish your center, your upright seat. Close down your eyes. Or if you are in movement, driving, please just let your attention be toward what is necessary for you in this moment. Let's start with a connection to our seat or your feet, the points of contact on the ground. Start to hone your attention to the spaces that are receiving you. From your sitting bones, feet. Just allowing for these first few moments to reconnect to that below you, which is supporting you. Let's give some attention to the koshas, the layers of the body. We'll start with the densest and move toward more subtle, which is often where we recommend starting. And so as you find yourself in your seat, yes, you can welcome your attention now to the physical body, your physical body, anything that is quite alive, visceral, if there's maybe some areas of discomfort or pain. And maybe for you today, you're in a space that does not have that much rajasic energy for the physical. We can also acknowledge that too. Toning your attention for a few rounds of breath, acknowledging your satya, the truthfulness of your physical body, any signals. And we'll go ahead and move now to the prana body, the pranamaya kosha. This is our sense of circulation, innervation, temperature. It's kind of internal, also with the nervous system. The inquiry here can be, how is your nervous system at this moment? How alert, rajasic, how moving is internal for you? Maybe there's a bit more stillness in your system, even from taking these few moments. And perhaps somewhere in between. In support of your prana body, let's go ahead and welcome some pranayama, breath practice. So if it's helpful, you can open your eyes, soften your gaze past your nose. So we're going to start with Ujjayi breath. Okay. So what you can do here is start with taking your tongue, relaxing it behind the top teeth, where the top teeth meet the gum line. And then the back of the throat is softened. So there's space at the throat. And here we're gonna let the low belly soften as you inhale, breathing through your nose, down the throat, using the low diaphragm. And creating this ocean breath sound, particularly focusing on the exhale. So we're going to give this 2 minutes, letting your in-breath create that warmth through the nose, down the throat, all the way as if spilling down through the belly, the pelvis. And also with that exhale is that warming, that whisper, ocean breath. Let it be your cadence. Your attention can ride the sound. Invite the practice to release, releasing from that concentration. We're going to move to what my teacher calls the heart coherence breath. And this includes accounting using the visceral fingers as well. So really good for focus. It's a 5-count inhale and a 5-count exhale. And so some of you have done something similar with me before. And of course, I will give the count for us. But again, respecting your space, your environment to do as such. And so what we do here is take the thumb to the base of the pinky finger, and that's 1. And then we go to the top of the pinky finger, that's 2. And then to the ring, 3, the middle, 4, and then the pointer is 5. And so it's 5 counts inhale, 5 counts exhale, and you cycle through. So we inhale base of the pinky, 1, and keep inhaling 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, base of the pinky, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we do this again about 2 minutes, okay? And so it's gonna give you that connection for the hand, requiring a bit more concentration. And what I'd like you to invite here, if the other hand either wants to be at the heart or you can just bring your attention to the heart coherence breath. This is where our focus is to support courage and compassion, those imperatives of the heart, right? So starting at the base of the pinky and knowing if you lose the count or the rhythm, that's okay. We'll give this the count of 5. As you're ready, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last, in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Perhaps beyond mudra or hands in your lap. Let your body breathe you. So for this last practice, everyone, I'm going to do rolling hums, rolling hums. And so it's a lot better served when you're in a group with a couple of folks who you can listen together with. But how this works is it is at your cycle. As you inhale, you'll take a full breath using the diaphragm, and then your exhale is going to be that hum, particular attention on the M and the vibration of the jaw all the way down to the throat. And then when your breath cycle begins, you can start again. And so as you're taking that in, it will be different than my rhythm. And it doesn't have to be the biggest cycle, but let it be your cadence. So it's really kind of creating a sea of hums. And we take this again about 2 minutes. Okay. So reorienting it to your upright seat, lifted heart. And if it's helpful, again, maybe bring your hand to your heart or Jnana Mudra, thumb over the pointer finger over the tops of the knees. So we take these rolling hums. I'd like you to return to the imperatives of compassion and courage for your day, for what's come forward. And we can simply be with the hum. So we'll begin as we're ready. Inhale through your nose. Hum. Three more. Resonant, essence, forward for you. Gather your hands back to your heart, checking in with the quality of your mind. Manomaya Kosha. The senses are perhaps a bit more tuned. As we come back to the wisdom body, the Jnanamaya Kosha, intuition, insight. And deeper still is the Anandamaya Kosha, the part of you that knows contentment, equanimity, and joy, able to see both the cloud of dirt and folds with equal regard. Appreciation for your time, your dedication, your devotion, and duration of practice, your returnings. Bow your head to your heart. Release your hand. this time we're recording. Thank you for sharing with me and with yourself.